Hey guys, welcome to another video of Sith Raid Tier 6 Phase 1, and in this video I'll show you my Rebel squad. They don't do like insane amount of damage, but they're very fun and quick to play, and I figured out an opening sequence that allows me to do quite a good amount of damage straight out of the gate. Alright, so I want to avoid you attacking Nihilus, because I do not want to get offense down, because then Nihilus will regain protection. I can obviously use special attacks on Nihilus. Here we go. And take out Assassin. And now with tenacity up, we can go straight at Nihilus. Unfortunately he will strip tenacity on someone, but that's okay. Yeah. See, I will use Wedge because Wedge does not have any more tenacity up, so I will use Wedge to work on the other head, while the other guys that still have tenacity should work on Nihilus. Alright, this is where now it will become harder to do damage because we lost tenacity up. That's what I said, I always make sure that the opening sequence goes well. Alright, the Annihilate is ready now. I like to use Commander Luke first, use Unbreakable Will on him, because he'll be able to regenerate 12 health quite quickly by himself. Alright. So I don't have a choice. Oh, see, there we go. He quickly recovered. I almost don't want to use Chirrut's special because he will just dispel buffs on Wedge and Han, because they have a debuff, which means they won't get tenacity up, but at least other guys will. Alright. So okay, let's go after Nihilus now. Okay. Take out the heads. And boom. Come on. Alright, it's again just Nihilus. Here we go. Alright, it's time to use Unbreakable Will again. This time I'll use it on Biggs. Don't like attacking Nihilus with defense down because he's just regaining protection, but you know, you don't have a choice really. Okay, we lost Biggs, guys. As I said, the start with this team is good, but then later on, still gonna be able to do some damage here. What? Annihilate was ready yet? What the hell? Oh well, it happens. Anyway, guys, this thing is almost over. So it doesn't really matter. Alright. Thing and he dodged. Alright, let's see if we can do some more damage or not. Now next one I think will be enrage. Let's see if we can. Okay guys, this thing is over. This thing is over. Let's see how much damage we did. 650,000. I would say on average I do about 800k with this team. I've done 1 million before, but I forgot to keep an eye on Annihilate, and I lost Commander Luke prematurely. But there you go guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.